Hello guys, Herbert Flores here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make money with Leadsleap. If you're not familiar with Leadsleap, this is an online marketing platform wherein you can get a traffic to your website. You can also build your list. You can also create a landing page. You can also create a opt-in or opt-in form. You can also use a link tracker, unlimited with a rotator, and also you can make money in 4 ways. And right now they added additional income stream on this platform, and there's a lot of benefits if you use this platform for your business and to make money online. If you're not yet member of this platform, so you can click the link below and you can register for free. So right now I will log in to Leadsleap to show you how you can make money with this platform. Okay, so right now I'm here on my dashboard. Then on the dashboard, so you can check other features of Leadsleap. You can advertise your website. You can create the social reviews. You can use the tracker and also the tools on building your email list plus the page builder. Okay, but right now we will focus on how you can make money with Leadsleap. So we have 5 ways to make money. So the number one is the daily active bonus. Now, how you can make money with this daily bonus? All you need is to click at least 10 ads. So you can click this, you can go at the right side. As you can see at the right side, we have some ads. Okay, all you need is to click at least 10 members ads on the right side. So if you want to learn more, all you need is to click on the tutorial. Okay, so on the tutorial you can check all possible questions that you can ask. Example is, what is daily active bonus? So you can earn cash bonus every day by simply viewing at least 10 ads personally in a day. So once you've served a minimum 10 ads, all the credits you accumulated on that day from ad surfing, PPC, co-op, reporting rating, etc. will be calculated your daily active bonus. I already earned $3.13 on my daily bonus. Okay, as you can see, so every day you can track all your bonuses, how many clicks you did, and also how many credits you earn. Then it will be converted into earnings. Okay, so you can check here, so you can read all the details on this tutorial section. So even on your email, you can receive some of these ads. So I will show you on my Gmail. Even you are not logged in on your Leadsleap, so you can also click. You can surf and earn credits, and you can earn on this daily active bonus. Okay, so example of the email that I received from the owner. So the owner of this platform is Mr. Kenneth from Singapore. So you can receive some tips about how to become successful with your online business. Then you can check all the ads at the right side. Okay, you can click here to earn credits. Okay, so example this one. If you click one of the ads from your email, you will be redirect on this surf and ads. Okay, surf and earn section. All you need is to view this ad for only 5 seconds. Okay, then after that, just close that ads. Then you will see that you will be adding some credits here. Okay, so all you need is to complete at least 10 clicks per day. Then you are now entitled to earn on this daily active bonus. The second way is the credit encashment. So now on this credit encashment, all you need is to have a minimum of 50 credits before you can encash. Then limited to maximum 1 conversion every 24 hours. The encash amount in your total credits rounded up to the nearest 50. Encash credits can no longer be used for advertising. Okay, so there are 2 options to use the credits. So you can use the credits to advertise your business. Okay, you can post credits ads for free, or you can encash your credits using this credit encashment. Then you can also check your encashment history every day. So every day I have a 100 credits. So with all you need is to click every day. So example, with this 100 credits, just invest with your spare time at least 1.5 hours. Okay, so you can get 100 credits every 24 hours. You can convert your credits, at least you have a minimum 50 points. Okay, but so today is August 3. So my credit and cash is 100, so I earn 0.14. Okay, so if you encash 50, so you will earn 0.10. No, 0.10. Okay, if you earn more than 50 credits, example this one's the 100, so you can earn 0.14. Okay, so the encash value varies depending on the amount of the credit you encash. The more credit you encash, the lesser the encash value per credit. So hence, we encourage you to encash as soon as you can. Okay, so if you want to learn more, then again you can click on the tutorial here and read all these questions. Okay, so the third one is through the co-op earnings. Using this co-op earnings, you can promote this one link, and all of the ads of the pro members will be added on this rotator. Just promote this one. Okay, just you can promote this co-op traffic link through traffic exchanges, Safelys, and other traffic networks. Okay, you cannot use a software bot. It must be at least a unique IP address. Okay, so below here, you can check some of the example of the source traffic. Okay, so I'm using traffic ad bar. So you can register for free with traffic ad bar. Then you can promote this traffic co-op link. Okay, so let's go on traffic ad bar. So just register for free. Then after that, you register, so you can get a free 100,000 free points. Okay, then click on website, then click on your website. Then after that, you can add your website here. Okay, so here the example, I already add my co-op link. That's why I'm getting traffic here. So to get visitors with the traffic rotator, all you need is to click here to earn points. Okay, so this is also a traffic exchange website. Okay, so you have 10 seconds to view a website, then you will earn also a credit here. Okay, so example this one, I will click these ads. So after 10 seconds, you will receive a points. Then after that, those points will be converted into visitors. Okay, other people also can view your ads, so I earn 3 points. So that's how easy to do this traffic exchange. Okay, so let's go back here. Then the other one is the PPC earnings, wherein you can earn money by adding an ads on your website. It's like a Google AdSense. Okay, so you can get a PPC widget code. Then this code, if you have a website, HTML website or WordPress, so you can create a widget here, then install it on your WordPress website. Again, just click on tutorial so that you will learn how to use this PPC ad widget. Okay, then the other one is the affiliate commission. As a free member, you can earn 25 to 50%. If you are a pro member, you will earn 50% recurring commission when your referral upgrade. Okay, you can click on the tutorial to learn more about this Leadsleap. Why promote Leadsleap? How much can I earn? Okay, how do I earn? So all the details are here. Okay, all you need is to go on affiliate links and tools. All the tools that you need to promote Leadsleap are here. Okay, so you can click on how to promote. So you can create a blog post by creating a sales panel, okay, email swipe, and also banner ads that you can use by adding these ads on your website. Okay, or you can also promote this free report by sharing this link with some of your friends that are involved with network marketing, affiliate marketing. So let's check this on the new tab. Then you can share this link and your affiliate link is embed on this ebook, okay? So that's how easy to promote this Leadsleap, okay? Okay, so lastly, to withdraw your commission, all you need to go on My Earnings and Withdrawal. Then you can click this tutorial, okay? So right here, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or through Wise or also through Bitcoin, okay? So you can click this tutorial here. Then you can read some the question here wherein the minimum withdrawal is $10. So please note that minimum withdrawal refers to the amount shown in total payable. As you can see on the arrow, so right now I already have $12.95, okay? These earnings came from a daily bonus and converting credits, okay? So if you have an affiliate commissions, you need to wait 60 days, okay? There's a 60 days withholding period for affiliate commission to account for refund charges, back or for reversal, okay? So that's how you can withdraw your earnings. So you can go also on your My Profile so that you can put your PayPal or your Wise account under the account settings. So right here, so wherein you can put your earning payment method. So you can choose whether PayPal or a Wise transfer or your Bitcoin address. Then you can click on Save Account Settings. That's how you can set your profile to withdraw your earnings. Okay, so that's all. So I recommend if you are serious on building your online business, so I recommend to register for free or upgrade your account with Leadsleap, because you can also promote a 10 website if you upgrade your account. So if you have some question, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, and see you on my next video.